fruits, and avocado salad. This is such a delightful and refreshing salad that avocado just melts and blueberries burst in your mouth. It has freshening taste of mangoes and slight crunchiness of apples. I just couldn't stop eating it. Hey guys, I am Whitey. Welcome to my channel. Love your family. Let's start making this yummy, healthy and happy salad. Let's start with avocado. Peel and slice one large ripe avocado. You can also slice it in long slices. That makes it look more beautiful actually. Now let's peel and dice apple. I've taken one apple. That will make roughly half a cup of diced apple pieces. Now it's mango's turn. I've cut the mango vertically and then horizontally and sliced it off so that it comes into perfect small pieces. For the dressing, mix 1.5 teaspoons of honey. Oh my gosh, honey is not coming out of bottle. I should have dipped it in warm water before using it. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Here I've just added plain mustard sauce. And mix them well. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder or ground cinnamon. I didn't have ground cinnamon or cinnamon powder, so I just put cinnamon sticks in grinder. Whisk in half cup of balsamic vinegar. You can even use apple cider vinegar. Add about 1/3 cup of olive oil. If you like a little more oil, then you can use up to half a cup. The dressing looks nice and creamy. Add about 1/8 teaspoon of salt and the same amount of freshly ground black pepper. Now the dressing is ready. You can adjust the taste as you wish, and you can put it in the refrigerator for later use. Place avocado, mango, apple and blueberries in a bowl and toss with half of the dressing. Place salad greens in a large bowl and toss with remaining half of the dressing. Transfer the salad greens in a plate or in a serving plate. Top the greens with dressed fruits and avocado mixture. Ta-da! Your fruits and avocado salad is ready. Enjoy! This is really good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.